I'm Rick Mott. I'm with Hackney Body Company in Independence, Kansas and Washington, North Carolina. I'm here at the WWETT show this week with this P2000 Hackney Body. It's a 14-foot all aluminum body, 84 inches wide. This body's set up to have a jetter on it, a water jet machine. So this is primarily a drain cleaning body. We also build this same body in a plumber's version that has more shelving in it, set up for plumbers and the equipment they carry and inventory they carry. It's been very popular. It got really popular when a lot of the nation went from time and material invoicing to flat rate plumbing. That created a need to have everything they needed on the truck and available to them so they didn't have to go back to a warehouse. We also make this same version, same body with different shelving in it for the heating and air industry. That vocation needs less shelving, a wider aisle, so we have shelving that's not as thick, or not as deep, I should say, and that way they can get air conditioning machines down the center, in and out to do air conditioning installs or heat installs. They both work really well, and with these all aluminum bodies, they're built to last a long time. The longevity is great. They're remountable, and we have people that are remounting it up to 3 different chassis. So the value added financially is fantastic because the body lasts so long. Hackney's been in business since 1946. We've been building this product line since 1997. It's been great for us. We love the different vocations and hope to be doing this a long time.